Welcome dear students for our maths class, Fun with Give and Take, part 3. Here there is a story given of a king. Once there was a king who could not count. He could count only up to 9. The king loved his horses, but he could not count all of them. He kept them in such a way that he needed to count only up to 9 from each side. So he has kept his horses in such a way that from each side it will be 9 horses. Let us see how he has arranged the horses. In the first sleeping line you can see 3 3 3. Standing line you can see 3 3 3. In the below 3 3 3, and at the end standing line 3 3 3. So let us see. Now here the king has arranged the horses in this form 3 3 3, right? So in all sides, each side if he counts, he will get 9. Let us see. 3 plus 3 is 6 plus 3 is 9. Okay. Now when he see from this side, let us see. 3 plus 3 plus 3 is 9. Now from this side if he counts 3 plus 3 plus 3, he will get 9. From here if he counts 3 plus 3 plus 3 is 9. Right? The king was unable to count the total number of the horses. So he arranged the horses in this way. Now let us count how many horses he had. Now let us see the first line first. 3 plus 3 plus 3. That is 3 plus 3 plus 3 is equal to 9. The last line 3 plus 3 plus 3. This 3 plus 3 plus 3 equal to 9. This we already did. Now left is the middle one. So this is 3 plus 3. 3 plus 3 is equal to 6. Now let us see the total numbers. So 9 plus 9 is 18. 18 plus 6 you will get 24. So total number of the horses the king had 24. One day a visitor with 4 horses came there. It was getting dark, so he wanted to stay there at night. But the horsekeeper was scared. If the king saw these extra horses, he would be very angry. The visitor said, "Don't worry, the king will never know." So he arranged the horses like this. The visitor has arranged the horses in such a way that if we count from each side, we'll get 9 horses. Let us see how. In the first line, you can see 2 horses, 5 horses, 2 horses. 2 plus 5 plus 2 is 9. In the standing line, if you see 2, 5, 2. Bottom line 2 plus 5 plus 2. In the last line 2 plus 5 plus 2 is. Now let us see how the visitor has arranged the horses. 2, 5, 2. 2 plus 5 plus 2 is 9. Now the bottom line you can see 2 plus 5 plus 2. Again you will get 9. Here this line 2 plus 5 plus 2. You will get 9. 2 plus 5 plus 2. You will get 9. So from each side if you count, you will get 9 horses. Okay. Now let us count actually how many horses are there. Now the first line we'll see, that is 2 plus 5 plus 2 is equal to 9. The last line we'll see 2 plus 5 plus 2 is equal to 9, right? Now the middle line 5 plus 5. 5 plus 5 is 10, right? So how many total horses are there? 9 plus 9 is 18 plus 10 is 28 horses. Now the king had 24 horses. Now here it is 28. That means how many extra horses are there here? 4 extra horses are there. In the morning, the clever visitor tried another trick. He took out his own 4 horses, but he also ran away with some of the king horses. He left the king horses standing in this way. The silly king did not find any horses missing. Can you help him? How many horses are now left? How many of the king horses were taken away? See how the visitor has arranged the horses. In the first line you can see 4, 1, 4. In the standing line 4, 1, 4. Bottom line 4 plus 1 plus 4. In the last line 4 plus 1 plus 4. That each side you will get 9 horses. Now let's see what the visitor had did in the morning. How he has arranged the horses. He has arranged the horses 4, 1, 4. 4 horses, 1 horse, 1, 4. So the total will come 9. 4 plus 1 plus 4 is 9. See the second line over here. 4 plus 1 plus 4 is 9. Bottom line 4 plus 1 plus 4 is 9. Last line 4 plus 1 plus 4 will give you 9. So all each side 9 horses are standing, but still some horses he has took away. So let us see how. Let us count the first row. 4 plus 1 plus 4. 4 plus 1 plus 4 is equal to 9. 4 plus 1 plus 4. 4 plus 1 plus 4. The bottom line will also give you 9. Now, which line is left? This number is left, right? The middle one. So 1 plus 1 will give you 2. So total number, let us count. 9 plus 9 will give you 18. Plus 2 will give you 20. Right? So the king had total number of the horses 24 at the start, and now he is having 20 horses. So how many horses did he took away? He took away 4 horses. Thank you.